So, are you ready to experiment on your hair? Oops, something went wrong. You're not upset, are you? I'm so tired of my hair. The ends keep getting in my face and tickling me. Should I cut it all off? No way! I know the perfect hairstyle. Part your hair like this. Part each of the halves again. Tie the upper strand and the right lower strand so they don't get in the way. Starting with the upper right strand, weave a braid diagonally. Make it tight so that nothing sticks out, and tie it off. Now untie the ponytails and braid over the first one. Carefully fix the hair on the temples with a comb, and it's done! It looks amazing! So stylish! I look like $1,000,000! This is the best! Anyone can get distracted by chilling at home. Candace, why are you still here? You've got a date in half an hour, remember? Oh no, I didn't do my hair. Don't worry, we'll definitely figure something out. You'll need a roll of foil and an iron. Lay out the foil on the ironing board. Spread the hair on it. Place the roll of foil under the strands. Move the iron like this. First in front of the roll, then on top of the roll, and after it. Move the hair, then do that again on the next piece. That's it! Your beautiful curls are ready! It's like magic, making curls with a regular iron. It'll be our little secret. Now I just need to change. Love is so powerful. Try a powerful romantic hairstyle. Brush your hair and put it in a ponytail. Place a heart stencil at the base of the tail. Wrap the cardboard in strands and secure it with bobby pins. Sprinkle with dry sequins. Apply some hairspray. Shine bright, baby! A Valentine like this is better than any card. Love for everyone! Hey, Candace, it's so windy outside. I'm afraid your gorgeous curls are going to get all tangled. Why don't we do something safe and beautiful? Okay, you convinced me. Brush the hair and put it in a high ponytail. Hide the hairband with a thin strand. Take a tiny hair donut and divide the tail into 3 parts. Put the donut on the middle one. Wrap it in the outer strands and tie with a hairband. Cover the band with hair and attach the next donut. It's great to have long hair. You can fit so much cool stuff on it. Okay, here you go. Wow, it looks like a dragon's tail. It's so big. This is a disaster! I wanted to curl my hair, but my curling iron isn't working. So, what do I do now? Keep calm and carry on. We know a great idea. Take a piece of foil. Lay out a strand of hair on the foil. Wrap it and fold it like this. Press with a hair straightener. Open it and wow! That's beautiful! Do the rest of your hair the same way. To make this hairstyle last longer, put on some hairspray. These unusual zigzags will make you look super fun. Plus, it's really unique. What's on your head? Sorry, but that hat's been outdated for a long time. Plus, your fancy hair shouldn't hide under this wide brim. Let's fix the situation. Put a cardboard circle on your head. Put the hair in. Try to put the strands in tight rows so that the cardboard isn't visible. Pin the hair. And now you have some unique headgear. A stylish hairdo and a great protection from the sun. Oh wow! I look like a superstar! Do you want an autograph? Megan is full of brilliant ideas. Candace, look what I came up with. What if you did your hair to match your zodiac sign? I'm a Scorpio, so my hair should be sharp, right? Well, let's give it a try. Separate one strand from the back of the head. Now add some volume at the roots using a crimping iron. Done! Now turn and tilt your head. Brush all the hair to the front. and start braiding from the back of the head. Weave in pieces of wire. Now you have a flexible braid. Make a few loops of wire at the end. A scorpion needs a stinger. After all, scorpions are intense and unpredictable, as you can see by the hairstyle. Be careful or I'll sting you! Look, I found another trendy hairstyle. I can't see it. Your hair is all over the screen. Can you get it off? Here, take a headband. Oh, come on, it's kind of boring. What if we update it a little? You have paint and plastic ties? That's right. Fasten the ties to the headband. Oh, it looks like a crown. Shorten some of them and cover the headband with silver paint. Let's try it on. Well, that's different. What a majestic look! Who do I look like? The Snow Queen or the Statue of Liberty? Tell us what you think in the comments. Megan is so creative. What is she up to this time? She wants to dye Candace's fancy curls? Onion skins? Oh, I don't know about that. It's the most harmless hair dye in the world. You pour boiling water over onion skins. Wait a little while. Separate the upper part of the hair, twist it up on top. Separate a strand from the lower part. Spread out some foil and dye the hair with the onion liquid. Wrap the hair in foil. Do the same with the rest of the strands. In 15 to 20 minutes, take the foil off. And what do we get? A nice coral color! I wonder how long the effect will last. Long hair is an endless playground for a hairdresser's imagination. Want to try something interesting? You'll need a crimping iron. Go over your hair with it. It's already beautiful, but it will get even better. Separate the upper part of the hair. Make a small loose braid. Tie it and hide it under the hair. Put the rest of the hair in a ponytail. Cover it with the end of the braid. Because it's crimped, the hair is fluffy and will stay better. So much volume! What do you think? That's amazing! Where's the photographer? I need to commemorate this. It's kind of a boring night. I need some action. Boo! Scared? Holy moly! Where did SpiderMan come from? Oh, relax. It's just me. Come with me. A costume party is so much fun. But I don't have a costume. I do have hair, though. Wrap the tail around your face instead of a mask. Secure it with bobby pins. Cover your head with a bed sheet. And off we go! Hey, are you going to show your face? Or are you going to go incognito like SpiderMan? Candace, I saw a new hairstyle especially for long hair. You don't mind experimental styles, right? Not at all. What is it this time? Separate a strand at the temple and start making a braid, weaving loose strands in. Braid it in a circle. Now, separate the strand from the second temple and weave a normal braid. Connect the tails of the braid in a stylish bun and secure it with bobby pins. What do you think of that? Isn't it romantic and retro? Megan, wow, you've outdone yourself! It's awesome! Looks fancy and casual at the same time! Ready, set, go! It's time for creative braids with threads. Sit up straight. Break the hair into 2 parts. For convenience, put half in a ponytail. Separate a thin strand at the forehead. Attach the thread. Weave the braid, putting the bright cord in it. To make it more impressive, undo the free part of the loops a little. The result should be this cool zigzag. Fasten the braid with a thread, and do the same thing on the second part of the head. Attention! Adjust your antennas to the right wave. Decorative elements add a special flavor to your braids. Use any color you like. Did you like our hair hacks? Which one of these styles did you like the most? Or which one was too intense for you? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more ideas for your hair from Troom Select.